Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to transfer your XRP to a Ledger Nano. It's super simple and I'll walk you through it step by step. First, connect your Ledger device to your computer or phone and open up the Ledger Live app. Make sure your device is unlocked. If you haven't already, install the XRP app via Ledger Live. Once that's done, open the XRP app on your Ledger. Next, in Ledger Live, head over to the Receive section. Select XRP as your currency. The app will then generate a unique XRP address for your ledger. Copy this address. Now, switch over to the wallet or exchange where your XRP is currently stored. Find the option to send or withdraw XRP. Paste the copied address into the recipient field. Double-check the address and all transaction details. It's crucial to ensure everything is correct because transactions can't be reversed. Once you're sure, confirm the transaction. Within a few minutes, your XRP should safely arrive in your Ledger Nano wallet. And that's it. Easy, right? By following these steps, you can securely transfer your XRP to your Ledger Nano and keep your assets safe. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips and tutorials.